Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today I am presenting you the topic of pollution, which is prepared by me, Quratulain Zafar Khattak, belonging from Ranger School and College, Cambridge section. First of all, let's have a look at major type of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of particulate biological molecule or other harmful material into the earth atmosphere, causing disease, death of humans, damage to other living organisms such as food crops or the natural or built environments. Major type of air pollutions: carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, CFC, particulate matter. Sources of air pollution: emission from power stations, emission from industrial processes, vehicular emissions, emission from burning of solid waste, emission from natural sources such as volcanic eruption and forest fires, air condition and refrigerators. Water pollution. Water pollution refers to the contamination of water bodies. These may include lakes, rivers, ocean, aquifer and groundwater. Major water pollutants: organic contamination, inorganic contaminants, solid waste and thermal pollution. Inorganic contamination, detergents and herbicides etc. are included, while in inorganic contaminants, heavy metals, ammonia etc. are there. Solid waste: plastics, paper, food waste, and thermal pollution, discharge of warm water into the water bodies of the factories. Sources of water pollution: sewage, runoff, pesticides and fertilizers, solid waste disposal, untreated effluent from industrial and other activities, chemical and oil spills. And with oil spills, there are a lot of marine animals are damaged. Land pollution. Land pollution refers to the deposition of solid or liquid waste material on land or underground in the manner that can contaminate the soil and groundwater, threaten public health and cause unsightly condition and nauseousness. So there are a lot of diseases which are due to land pollution. This land pollution is further referred toward the water pollution as well, which is underground the earth. Sources of land pollution: domestic solid waste, garbage, rubbish and trashes, construction and demolition waste, agricultural waste and industrial waste. Another pollution type is noise pollution. Noise is generally defined as unwanted sound. Obviously, if we are talking about pollution, that everything which is unwantedly entered in the environment, so that is pollution. So obviously, according to noise pollution, that is also unwanted sound which is continuously entering in our ears. Sound affects man physiologically and socially. Noise may be continuous or intermittent, and may be of high frequency or a low frequency. Sources of noise pollution. There are a lot of sources of noise pollution which continuously disturb us physically as well as mentally, like industrial sounds, like multi-purpose halls including wedding halls, bungalows along the coasts, places of entertainment, road traffic, community noise, animal like dog, cats, cows, etc., use of loudspeakers, machines, aircrafts, neighborhood, machinery, other sounds like public gatherings and vibration, etc. So these all are the sources of noise pollution. Health effect of noise pollution. Hearing loss including occupational hearing loss, stress, high blood pressure, sleep loss, distraction, productivity loss, cause irritability, headache, annoying and interference with communication. So, at last, we need everyone's help to stop pollution. So, it's your word. Help keep it clean. Thank you, and be careful about yourself and your environment.